So we have our ഇതില് ഇവരെല്ലാവരും സ്പാനിഷും പോർച്ചുഗീസും ഒക്കെയാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ചിലര് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിക്കും. കോച്ച് വേണേൽ ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കാം, കോച്ച് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. നമുക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്പെസിഫിക് ആയിട്ട് പ്ലെയേഴ്സിന് ചോദിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ ചോദിക്കാം. ഇന്ന് 2-3 കാര്യങ്ങൾ കോയിൻസൈഡ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നിങ്ങളെ. അലക്സാൻഡ്രി ഫ്രം ബ്രസീൽ, പ്ലീസ് സെർജിയോ. I'll invite Kali Alauddin, former India player, FC Mumbai and Chennai FC reserve team coach. Let me call upon Balaji. Balaji is the current Indian under-20 goalkeeping coach. And so we'll just start with these three. And then myself is Abhay. I'm the CEO of Trivandrum Comments. But let this be a fully sports talk. I'll hand over the mic to Sergio. Thank you so much.
First one, I feel very well. Okay. I must speak thanks God for everything. Thanks God for our management. Okay, give a good support for us. So I have words to talk to you and for all. I feel well. Okay, about sports. Of course, we come here to develop a good job, and I hope we can do this. Okay, I answer to you. It's okay?
Yes, it's okay. And what do you offer to our football arena? What do you offer?
I promise this, offer my best. What I have, I can do, and I will try to do my best.
Because it was a Hobson choice for you. You only had a set of players, and how do you have enough time to find a winning combination from those players?
This question is important question. Why? Because we have short time to preparation. We must be ready. So when the game start, nobody. You see if you have big time to preparation. But in this moment, when you start the preparation to start the championship, you have around 30 days. Of course, this one not what the football need for one team to have good harmony, to have good tactic. Also, we need to develop the physical and technique the players. But we hope in this short time you do what you need to represent how you need to play. Okay, so of course when you start to form one team, you have many things to do. Okay, you see the quality of the players, the characteristics of the players, and what you have in the hands, you need to develop. Now, this is our job, what the players will have. Okay, and what I saw until now, we have a good quality of the players, and I hope, okay, this player can do something amazing for our team.
Is there any bend it like Beckham technique from your side? Me.
Excuse me?
Is there any technique like bend it like Beckham style from your side? Bend it like Beckham.
Yeah. Now understood. Sorry.
Yeah, you.
Yeah. I hope we can find one player with this characteristic. Okay. About free kick, I know Patrick have good free kick, and I hope he can do same Beckham.
Players have enough physical capability to last through these short period of high intensity football.
Yeah. About this question, like I think I tell you before, okay, now you have more 10 days to finish the preparation. Okay, now you go to start our friendly games to finish our preparation to start the league. And when you start, okay, you need to make on balance about all players, the fitness conditions. Okay, game by game, you need to be attention in this point. This point also our administration, our management care about this. What they give for us until now, they give a good support. You have a good accommodation, good food. What the players need, we have.
What kind of food you are choosing for the physical strength?
General, the players need carbohydrate, protein, fruits. This one you have. The basically fruits for one players and for one normal person is carbohydrate, protein, and you have a lot. Thanks God for this.
I'll try to supplement Sergio in that. ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരു ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ പ്ലെയേഴ്സിന്റെ ഒരു കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റിയും ഇന്ത്യൻ പ്ലെയേഴ്സും വരുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ചലഞ്ച് ഈ ഫുഡായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഉള്ള ഒരു എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവ് ഷെഫ് കിംസ് നമ്മുടെ ഹെൽപ്പ് പാർട്ണറാണ്. അപ്പോൾ കിംസോട് ചേർന്നിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരു ഇന്ത്യൻ ടീമിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഇപ്പോഴും അസോസിയേറ്റഡ് ആയിരിക്കുന്ന ന്യൂട്രീഷനിസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, അൻസ സാജു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. അൻസ സാജു അവരുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെ ഉള്ളൊരു ഒരു കമ്പൈൻഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു എക്സ്പെർട്ടീസിൽ മെനു ക്യൂറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ മെനു ആണ് നമ്മുടെ ടീം ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പം ബ്രസീലിയൻസിൻ്റെ ഇഷ്ടം നമ്മളായിട്ട് ഒരു ഇഷ്ടം ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, ബീഫിനോടുള്ള ഇഷ്ടം. അപ്പം I think Sergio is happy that he has come to a place where he get a lot of he's smiling for the beef. So നമ്മളുമായിട്ട് ഒത്തിരി ചേർന്ന ആഹാര രീതിയാണ്. ചോറ് അവർ കഴിക്കുന്നവരാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇഡലിയൊക്കെ സ്റ്റീംഡ് റൈസ് ഫുഡ്, അപ്പോൾ ഇഡലിയുടെ കൂടെ ബീഫ് ഒക്കെ അവർ കഴിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. I think Sergio is happy with the food. Yeah, thank you, Sergio.
His climate is okay with you?
Yeah. In Brazil, sometimes more hot than here.
More hot.
Brazil also is very hot. And I think now the climate is very, very good, not bad.
Football player. Is it the physical capability or the mental capability? What is more important? Like during
This one, mental strong can give good support for all, okay? Because one player with sure the best player in the world, name by name, must be mental strong, number one, okay? Because this one can make big difference, okay? I think I answer to you because sometimes the guy have good physical condition, okay? But it's mental not strong, nothing.
Kind of attacking or defending, or what's the formation?
I don't know his secret.
I must care because now you answer this secret, okay? But I can answer for you with few words. Football, the target is score, okay? So you need to play for the target to score. But if you don't have a good defense organization, okay, with a good attack organization, you cannot win. So you work in this way. Okay, football now in all world, everybody talks same points, okay? I cannot speak our team, our characteristic is attack. Yes, I like attack, but you need to have good organization, all points, okay? But because it's secret.
In Kerala, there is a great fan base for Argentina and Brazil. You are from Brazil, and who is your best and favorite player? Is it an Argentinian or a Brazilian?
Okay, I am from Brazil, but I like Argentina football. Okay, for me the best player in the world until now is Messi. Okay, the best one. And when I have one compare between Brazil and Argentina. Argentina win the last Mundial, last now the South American also. Everybody see the Brazil football like a show. The Brazilian players have amazing dribbling, amazing score, like you have in the past, Ronaldo, Rivaldo, Ronaldinho, now have Neymar, now have Vinicius Junior in Real Madrid. But the organization of the Argentine football is amazing. So I don't have nothing to talk about against Argentina. I like also Argentina football.
Okay, we'll call upon the Brazilian friends first. So we have our ഇവരെല്ലാവരും സ്പാനിഷും പോർച്ചുഗീസും ഒക്കെയാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ചിലർ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിക്കും. കോച്ച് വേണേൽ ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കാം, കോച്ച് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യും നമുക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്പെസിഫിക് ആയിട്ട് പ്ലെയേഴ്സിന് ചോദിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ചോദിക്കാം.
What about Kerala football from your side? How do you feel?
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Patrick. I play midfield. About the football Kerala is good, is feeling good, staying good, and very hot, same Brazil, same weight, and for with new experience, it's very good, and we can try the best.
Everyone, good afternoon. My name is Marcos Wilder. I play striker, and I hope be a good season here. And I'm grateful to be here. About Kerala football also is weight is the same Brazil, and we are so proud to be here. So amazing play with the teammates. And the assist coach and the coach. We hope to be a good and great season and blessed season.
Hello everyone, my name is Altemar. I position on strike. I want first season in India. I want championships, of course. I try, I give me the best.
Meu nome é Davi, sou meio campo. Meu nome é Davi, sou meio campo.
He play midfield.
Sou brasileiro.
He's Brazilian.
Muito feliz com a oportunidade de estar representando essa camisa.
I am very happy and proud to represent this jersey.
Estamos treinando forte para conquistar nossos objetivos.
Hi guys, my name is Michel. I'm from Brazil. No speak English. Basic. Feliz pela oportunidade de estar aqui.
I am very happy for this opportunity.
Tenho certeza que a gente conta com o apoio de todo mundo, todos vocês.
He wait to receive support de everyone.
Os treinos, todo o suporte necessário a gente está tendo.
We have all support from our management.
E a gente vai lutar até o final para conseguir o título aí.
We will fight to take success and be champion.
Obrigado a todos.
Thank you very much.
Boa tarde a todos.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Meu nome é Renan,
My name is Renan.
tenho 21 anos, sou zagueiro.
I have 21 years old. I play central defender.
Muito feliz pela oportunidade e tenho certeza que a gente irá alcançar nossos objetivos, que é o título.
I am very happy for this opportunity also, and we fight for be successful and be champion.
Coach Bala, would you like to talk about your experience here? It's up.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm from Bangalore in fact, so the weather is here and there, so I'm comfortable here today, and I've been with the under 19 Indian national team from the past 3 years as a goalkeeping coach, and I've worked under some professional clubs in Bangalore. So this coming here has been a big leap and a very exciting moment for me to be here in Thiruvananthapuram and be a part of Thiruvananthapuram club. And I hope we give a good performance and bring the club to the finals and try to win the trophy this year. And yes, this is the first time I'm working with the Brazilian coach and players. I've got an excellent goalkeeper here from Brazil. It's a big challenge for me. So I guess we've got a good team here, and I guess we're going to do a better job now together. So we'll have to wait for the results. Thank you.
Thank you, Balaji. Kali, you're next. Can you share your experience here in Kerala and what you're looking forward to with Kumbans?
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I am Kali Alauddin. I am from Chennai. Past 6 years, I am working in Chennai FC. Already you know the ISL side. Really, I am happy with this management and team. Really, the management give us freedom and giving everything to us. Now we are focusing on our matches. Really, this is very short time, just 15 to 20 days ready for the match. We want to focus on technique, tactical strength, power, and team bonding. We want to focus on everything within just 2 weeks or 20 days. Now we are going for a pre-season for 10 days to Goa. We are playing practice matches there against Salgogar Goa. Everyone knows the former I-League champion Salgogar Goa and Dembo SC. At the same time, we are playing the final practice matches against FC Goa. So that match really help us in the future. Then only we know our strength and weakness. That is very, very important for us to learn for the main competition. The boys are doing good job last 15 years, working hard. They are improving their level at the same time, fitness level also. Really, we are all working hard and give success to our Kumbans FC. Thank you.
Thank you, Kali. On the extreme right is 34 years old. Yes, he is the oldest player and he brings the most experience. And behind him is Davi Khoon, is the youngest player, who's 20. So we have a good mix of players with us. Coach, why did you choose Goa? Why did you choose to go to Goa?
In this moment of our preparation, okay, you need to play friendly match. Okay, and our place here don't have too much teams for play against us, and we will talk about the situation. We talk about you have to find one place, have more teams to play against us, because we are in the final moment of our preparation, and come this point, go have many teams, go have good support for our training also, because you don't go there only for play 3 games. You go there to continue preparation, and until now you train only in the artificial field, and there also you prepare to play in natural grass. And for this you chose goal because you have many opportunities for us to continue development of our job.
We'll have a photo session for the Brazilians, so the coaches can sit there. If you can ask them to stand behind you for one session. Can you have the chairs removed, please? Yeah. So this is under comment. 1 second, we'll remove the chairs for you. Just please, 1 second. Have the chairs removed, except for the coaches. Yeah, please remove the chairs. Thank you. 1 second. Yeah, they're all yours. ഓക്കെ, സോ അവർ നമ്മുടെ അതിഥികളായതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ അവരെ ആദ്യം വിളിച്ചത്. ഇവരിൽ നിന്നും ട്രിവാൻഡ്രത്തിൽ നിന്നും കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നും വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് അവരെ വിളിക്കാം. അവിടെ യാ ഓക്കെ, വി വൈഷ്ണവ്, ആന്റണി, ഒരു റിക്വസ്റ്റ്, നവീൻ, മാർക്ക്. Yeah, sir.
I'm coming from Malappuram, 22-year-old. I'm playing winger.
I'm Sharad KB. I'm coming from Thrissur. I'm 22 years old. I'm a defender. Thank you. I'm Season. I'm from Trivandrum. I'm a midfielder.
എൻ്റെ പേര് നവീൻ, ഞാൻ ഗോൾ കീപ്പറാണ്. വീട് വയനാട് അടുത്ത് തമിഴ്നാട്ടിലാണ്.
Hello, I'm Pawan Kumar. I'm goalkeeper. I'm from Punjab. Hello, my name is Akhil. I'm coming from Ernakulam.
Hello, my name is Vishnu. I'm coming from Palakkad.
Hello, my name is Shihad Neliparamban. I'm coming from Malappuram, striker.
Hello, my name is Chino Raymond. I am coming from Trivandrum.
Hello, my name is Paul Rafongzawa. I am coming from Mizoram.
My name is Papuya. I'm from Mizoram. I play defender.
My name is Shanasi. I'm a midfielder.
My name is Ravi. I'm from Mumbai. I play as a defender.
My name is Ashar. I'm from Thrissur, striker.
My name is Ganesh. I'm from Karaikudi. My name is Sachin. Coming from Trivandrum, midfielder.
എൻ്റെ പേര് മനോജ്, സ്ഥലം ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം, മിഡ്ഫീൽഡർ.
Hi, my name is Belgian Bolster. I'm coming from Trivandrum, defender.
My name Anthony Raju, coming from Trivandrum, defender.
My
name is Vaishnav, coming from Malappuram, striker.
My name is Salan. I am from Pathanamthitta. I am playing defender.
എൻ്റെ പേര് അക്ഷയ്, മലപ്പുറത്ത് വരുന്ന മിഡ്ഫീൽഡർ.
എൻ്റെ പേര് ബാദിഷ്, മലപ്പുറത്ത് വരുന്നു ഡിഫൻഡർ.
രണ്ട് സ്റ്റേജിലായിരുന്നു. ആക്ച്വലി ഒന്നുകൂടെ ഒരു കൗണ്ടർ പ്രോപ്പർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള റെഫ്രഷ്മെന്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇന്ററാക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ദേ ആർ ഹിയർ, 1-to-1 ആയിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാം. ടീം ഒരു അരമണിക്കൂറോട് മാക്സിമം സ്റ്റേജിൽ കാര്യം. അവർ ഇന്ന് രാത്രി പോവുകയാണ് ഗോവയിലേക്ക്. അപ്പം കുറച്ച് സമയമുണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ട് ഇന്ററാക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. വി ക്യാൻ ഓപ്പൺ ദി കൗണ്ടർ ഫോർ ദ ഫുഡ്. ഓൺ ബിഹാഫ് ഓഫ് കൊങ്കൺസ്, തിരുവനന്തപുരം കൊങ്കൺസിൻ്റെ പേരിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നിങ്ങളുടെ സപ്പോർട്ടോടുകൂടി ഞങ്ങളുടെ 5 മാച്ചസിന് മാക്സിമം ആൾക്കാരെ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ വന്ന് കാണാനായിട്ട്, ഗാലറിയിൽ വന്ന് കളി കാണാനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ സഹായിക്കണം. നിങ്ങളുടെ സഹായം ഉണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് പൂർണ്ണ വിശ്വാസമുണ്ട്. താങ്ക് യു. താങ്ക്സ് എ ലോട്ട്.
ഫോട്ടോ അല്ലേ? ഫോട്ടോ അല്ലേ? ഫോട്ടോ ഇല്ലേ?